Hey everyone, this is Sabrina and I hope everybody is doing all right with everything that's going on in the world. I will be making a page for my 8.5 by 11 family album for this year. I'm doing memory planning style. This is week 5 and I am using Ali Edwards digital kits to put this together. If this is your first time here, welcome. Like I said, my name is Sabrina and I am always making something, and I'm also lucky enough to be on a few design teams, including Coco Daisy, Tracy Reed Designs, and Scrap and Happy Studio. I also just launched my first big picture classes. All that information is down in the description box. So, like I said, this is week 5. I am using the digital kit U, and I actually put together kind of a swatch so that way I could get the colors that I wanted, because I pulled from a bunch of different kits. So basically pulled from my digital stash so that way I could bring this together, because the U kit was not going to be enough to document everything from this week. So I have a big pile right here, and once again I just printed mainly the journaling cards and the embellishments. And over here I was trying a different type of flip pocket, so I wanted to try it before the camera, but it didn't work, so I did that because this was the weekend that I went on a trip with my friend. And I'll have another flip pocket over here. All right, I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I have that big pile to the left, and I kind of jumbled things up when I was printing, so I'm gonna have to kind of untangle everything and place it where it needs to go. While I'm doing that, I will just kind of tell you the digital things that I did for the card that I just cut. That is a digital card that I changed to a light blue, and then I also recolored. See, I made that one. I was so excited about that one. That one says Time Together, and I took 2 different stamps and I kind of made them turn down the opacity on them. And then the other one I was talking about was the stuff that keeps us together. That's at the bottom right. And that one I just recolored, and I think I even recolored the numbers. But that is also a kit from that is a card from a different kit. So now I'm going to tackle my second hinge flip box, and I'll leave in the description, I will leave the dimensions in case that interests you for your memory planner pages. So just take a piece of white cardstock, cut it out, and then let me see if I can explain this so that way it doesn't sound too jumbled. Okay, so the first step is you glue down the second journaling card. Glue that down. Next, you lift it up a little, put some adhesive, stick down your hinge, but now you need another little piece of adhesive to get the top of the hinge and the journaling card to connect. Push that down. Now you have a little flap right there. Now you put adhesive on that piece of the hinge and then put the journaling card. So you just have to make sure everything is going to stick together with lots of adhesive. And now it flips, and thumbs up, I did it. That one was really easy to assemble. What I was trying on the adventure one was with some sticker paper, and I don't know, it just was not working. I'm sure I could get it to work at some point, but I just was spending too much time, so I decided to move on. So I just placed another little card below my kids playing. This was after I got back from my little trip. They were so excited to see me, and I hadn't been away from them for that long. I mean, it was only a weekend, but still, it'd been a long time, so they were thrilled to see me. I also, with this collection, the U collection, there was a lot of word strips and also a yellow pack of stickers, digital of course, and so I took a bunch of those to sprinkle throughout my spread because I just love word strips. And they're also flat too, so it's an easy way to kind of tell your story by having a little word strip kind of introduce it, and also just add another layer to your project. So with this photo right here of my daughter and her friends on a field trip, I put a little camera icon and a little heart. And then my son had a field trip as well, so I put the good stuff and I put that on his photo. And I believe those icons are from Bond, I want to say. So I think I mixed Bond, You, a little bit of Home, and Adventure. So really digging through my stash to get all the components that I wanted. I'm also going to add some chipboard again, and I was thinking about this so that way I could tell you guys. The reason I'm liking chipboard better, another one of the reasons, is that it is not, well, it's thick, but it doesn't stick up as much as foam in my albums. So foam makes everything like really thick and stick up, and so this adds to less bulk, or makes less bulk. Goodness, guys, I'm trying to explain this to you. So it's less bulk, which I like. Foam just really, I've noticed, really sticks up and adds so much weight to your albums. So I just took 3 of the large hearts in the U kit. I think they started out as gray, I want to say, and so I changed them to have the 3 main colors from the color swatch that I made. The color swatch was in Photoshop Elements. That's where I made it. And so I just wanted 3 main hearts for that visual triangle that I love to make. And then I also did several smaller hearts. I did not do a yellow big heart. I probably should have, and I probably should have added a yellow heart to the right side, but that's okay. And let's see, what am I doing now? I'm going to add my final little cluster right there. It is a big and a small, and then 2 little word strips as well. And then I repeated that over on the 30th with a pink and a blue, and then 2 word strips as well. So there we go, just putting it on, and I am almost done with this spread. I love this spread, and I love going through my stash and finding the right pieces that will fit just perfect to make this spread come to life. There we go. And also for the stripe at the bottom, that was a journaling card as well, but I changed a few pieces of it to make it repeat with the gray, yellow, pink, blue. That's what I wanted. There we go, and making my last little cluster. I did not cut these hearts straight at all with the white edges, keeping the white edges, that's what I was trying to do, but with the chipboard it made it a little bit tricky, but that's okay. And I'm also adding a little better together with my husband right after I got back, having some TV time together. Adding Today You, where my daughter was celebrating the 100th day of school. Wow, things have changed in only like a month and a half. We are not going to be at school anymore, so that picture is even more special. Adding one last little heart and a little phrase sticker that says a good mom, because I was giving them extra tablet time while I rested. And then this spread will be done. Love it. So much fun to make these spreads. Okay, this one is done. I love it. I love the color scheme. It's definitely a great way to end January and start February. I love the chipboard hearts and my little flip outs. That was something fun to try. I could definitely put paper on the back of this, but I'm not going to worry about it for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I loved putting this together. My husband gave me some free time, and I had an awesome day to myself and putting this together and a few other things. So I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe, because I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. So that would be awesome if you would subscribe too. All right, thanks so much again for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.